There, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this machine washable area rug that I got sent out for review. You can use these for your living room or a play area. Also, you can use it on your bedroom or even on your dining room. It is a very nice carpet. On the bottom, it has a material that it's a non-slippery material, more rugoes, and on the front or like the upper side, it is a very soft rug that you will love. Also, it comes in different designs. You can choose the color of your liking according to your decoration. I love this one in gray because it is matchable with almost all my furniture right here, and I love how it looks. It is really nice to have one of these area rugs at your home. It will give your home another look and it will keep your kids, if you have hardwood or just tiles, whatever you have, if you keep your family warm.